Hello Libra, ito na. I have shuffled a few cards for you, so let's see kung anong messages yung meron para sa'yo. Now, you have the Seven of Pentacles, you have the Knight of Wands, you have the Star card, Ten of Wands, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Alam mo yung Seven of Pentacles, that could be your energy, pero malaki po yung mas malaki yung probability na energy po to ng person mo eh. There's a certain person who admires you, but is actually curious kung ano na po yung nangyayari sa life mo. Ito na, may malayo po siya, may distance. So it does mean this person all the while admires you from a distance. Now, Seven of Pentacles could be merong nagka-crush sa'yo or someone admires you, let's say sa trabaho or sa school or kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo. Ayan. Now, Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, you have the Knight of Wands, you have the Star card. For those of you who are single or could be or could be married na, if you have a partner, wag po kayong maghanap ng iba. Kasi yung Knight of Wands, you have the Star card, other persons could, demean you or yung magagalit sa'yo for having a connection or relationship with someone na married na. Now, itong Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, you have the Star card. There's a particular person, for those of you who are single, could be solo parent, na paparating because they love you. Kilala mo na po ito. The Star card, you have the Ten of Wands, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Kaso lang, may distance po. Could be in terms of location, could be nasa ibang bansa po siya, paparating pa lang, or could be nasa ibang province or city or country. Now, the Wheel of Fortune, you have the Ten of Wands, you have the Star card. Although, in terms of career, you have missed a certain career na, let's say, papuntang abroad. But you also have a career na dito lang sa Philippines, which is nice naman din for you. Iba-iba po kayo ng situation, Libra. So take what resonates, let's say sa career or sa love life or any descriptions na babagay sa'yo. Leave what doesn't. Now, kasi this is a general reading para po to sa iba. Except lang kung private reading, ito ay para sa'yo kung private reading. But this is a general reading for Libra. Now, Seven of Pentacles, you have the Knight of Wands. There is love coming for you, so don't worry. You have the Magician. Sa second row ng cards, you have the Magician. The Magician, the Four of Pentacles, you have the Queen of Wands. Seven of Pentacles, you have the Five of Wands. Alam mo, kahit hindi ko makita tong Five of Wands, dito pa lang may pag-aaway na po. Ayan. Those of you who are graduating, especially kung may studies po kayo, if you are studying right now, graduating or not, basta sa studies, mahirap po. Okay? So, kayanin niyo po, kailangan mag-review, mag-study kasi hindi siya easy this semester or this year, at least within 8 months. Now, the Magician, you have the Four of Pentacles, you have the Queen of Wands. Meron kang classmate, masculine figure who's not willing to help you. Closed off yung mind niya. Ibig sabihin, kahit anong sambit mo, kahit anong communicate mo, if you want to communicate to this person, hindi yan siya makikinig sa'yo. Now, the Magician, you have the Four of Pentacles, you have the Queen of Wands. The Magician, you have the Four of Pentacles, you have the Queen of Wands. Seven of Swords, you have the Five of Wands. You have, for those of you who have a friend, pwede din na best friend mo or ka-MU mo, may mga pag-aaway po dito. And most importantly, there could be mga pag-aaway surrounding you. Could be sa relatives, friends. I see friends na mga pag-aaway. Now, ito with the Queen of Wands, siguro kailangan nyo lang tingnan at isolve dalawa kung anong pwedeng isolve dyan. If away po yan ng friends niyo, wag na po kayong makialam. Now, Magician, you have the Four of Pentacles. For anyone who are, who are who is practicing spirituality, anything about spirituality, could be my rituals or wala, especially those who have rituals. It is not a good time. It is not your season. All right. Four of Pentacles, you have the Queen of Wands. This goes for 4 months. Huwag kang mag-practice po. Okay? You earn knowledge, but practicing any rituals, it's not your season. Now, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, you have the Seven of Swords, Five of Wands, and you have the Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles, you have the King of Cups. You know, in your reading dito, I see a lot of potential for love, for Libra. Mababait po yung mga Libra. You have the Page of Pentacles. Very resourceful din po si Libra kapag sa pamilya. Si Libra, siya po ay nagbibigay talaga para sa family. Pera, oras, pagmamahal, especially para sa kids niya. Now, Page of Pentacles, you have the Ace of Cups. I see people separated from their partners with the Ace of Cups. Page of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, King of Swords, King of Swords, Five of Swords, Three of Pentacles. For those of you who are working, especially kung may mga bosses, mahirap ipagtanggol sarili mo. But then, ganyan po talaga sa ngayon. Mas nangingibabaw yung mga gusto ng boss mo. Page of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, the King of Swords, Five of Swords, Three of Pentacles. You have the Four of Wands. Some of you may prospecting na marriage. You could be, siguro may proposal yung iba. Sa mga Librans, baka may mag-propose din. Okay? Now, ito lang for Libra. I hope you got the message. And for anything, just contact me if may mga gusto kayong ipacheck sa buhay ninyo. Alright? Now, thank you and God bless po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye po.